Earth, third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet in the solar system. This is our home planet, is a world unlike any other. Earth is the only place in the known universe confirmed to host life. Earth orbits the Sun once every 365.25 days. Since our calendar years have only 365 days, we add an extra leap day every 4 years to account for the difference.
There are several beliefs and views about the formation of Earth. But most commonly and practically adopted theory is that the Earth was formed from a fluid dust which called as nebula. Dust particles collide with each other and finally Earth being formed. It was very warm at the beginning and gradually it turned to cool. But today even the central part of the Earth is extremely hot. The lava is the central hot liquid part which poured out during volcanic eruptions.
Earth is rich in water, and has been for a few billion years, but scientists are still debating just where all that life-sustaining liquid came from. The new research suggests that Earth's water came from both rocky material, such as asteroids, and from the vast cloud of dust and gas remaining after the Sun's formation, called the solar nebula.
The earliest known life forms are putative fossilized microorganisms, found in hydrothermal vent precipitates, that may have lived as early as 4.28 billion years ago. With an environment devoid of oxygen and high in methane, for much of its history Earth would not have been a welcoming place for animals. The earliest life forms we know of were microscopic organisms, microbes, that left signals of their presence in rocks about 3.7 billion years old. When cyanobacteria evolved at least 2.4 billion years ago, they set the stage for a remarkable transformation. They became Earth's first photosynthesizers, making food using water and the sun's energy, and releasing oxygen as a result. While they can process lots of chemicals, microbes did not have the specialized cells that are needed for complex bodies. However, other innovations were occurring.
These clusters of specialized, cooperating cells eventually became the first animals. Sponges were among the earliest animals. Thanks to their hard skeletons, sponges became the first reef builders on Earth. In addition to sponges, these varied seafloor creatures, with bodies shaped like fronds, ribbons, and even quilts, lived alongside sponges for 80 million years. About 541 million years ago, most of the Ediacaran creatures disappeared, signaling a major environmental change. The Cambrian period, 541 to 485 million years ago, witnessed a wild explosion of new life forms. Along with new burrowing lifestyles came hard body parts like shells and spines. However, despite all the changes that were to come, by the end of the Cambrian nearly all existing animal types, or phyla, mollusks, arthropods, annelids, etc., were established, and food webs were emerging, forming the foundation for the ecosystems on Earth today.
To watch more of these valuable videos, click subscribe button, and join Stills and Moves.